For years, his video messages spewing hate and dire warnings to Americans after 9/11 have finally brought Suleiman Abu Ghaith to America inside a courtroom. Suleiman Abu Ghaith entered the courtroom looking and acting much differently than the al-Qaeda spokesman so often seen next to his father-in-law, Osama bin Laden. In New York federal court, he looked older, balding, his dark beard now gray. Gone was the fiery rhetoric. He quietly said yes when asked whether he understood the charges and left it to his lawyer to enter his plea, not guilty. But behind the scenes, Abu Ghaith is talking to investigators. Prosecutors dropping a bombshell, revealing he made a 22-page statement after his arrest, possibly powerful evidence.
Prosecutors always want statements from a defendant, so the fact that he gave such an extensive one has the potential to be extremely incriminating at a trial.
What did he tell investigators? They aren't saying. He was arrested overseas February 28th and flown to the U.S. from Jordan March 1st, a full week before his arraignment. Abu Ghaith has mostly been under house arrest in Iran since 2002, and experts say likely not actively involved in al-Qaeda operations. Bin Laden himself bragged on tape the 9/11 plans were so secretive, Abu Ghaith didn't even know about them.
And he points to Abu Ghaith, his spokesman, and says, we didn't clue him in. So surely a defense lawyer will be using that in the future case.
Despite ongoing criticism from Republicans that Abu Ghaith should be treated as an enemy combatant and tried before a military tribunal in Guantanamo, the administration stands by its decision.
This is somebody who's going to be held accountable for his crimes and will be done, and that will be done in accordance with the laws and values of this country.
Some 9/11 families say they're glad someone so prominent in al-Qaeda is being prosecuted.
Let's get these trials going in New York City. All the people that were affected that day can go see the trials, and that's where they should be, in New York City. And that's where Abu Ghaith's trial is, about a mile away from Ground Zero, where Jim Rich's son and thousands of others lost their lives.